Hey, y'all, today's focus is physical body. Can we have gratitude for all the things our body does for us, all the things we're allowed to do, daily activities, exercise, everything our body's functions. Yeah. So come sit with me. Find a comfortable rest position. Close your eyes. Take a big inhale. Big exhale. Feel the floor beneath you. So if you're seated, you might have your feet on the floor. If you're laying down, you could feel the floor, the mat, or the couch or furniture underneath you. Feel that support from the ground or the furniture. Let your body be heavy. And then repeating thank you to yourself. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my physical body. Thank you for everything that hums along without me having to think about it. Breathing, respiration, my heart pumping fresh blood, my digestion, all my internal organs. Thank you for my muscles and bones. Thank you for my skin. And this one, meditating on your body, can sometimes be tricky if you have a painful spot or an injury. So if you catch yourself saying, yes, but, notice the owie spot, notice the injured spot, or maybe the spot that isn't working as well as you would like. Just notice it. And for just a moment, notice a spot in your body that feels really good or even neutral. That might be your face or hands, and focus your attention on that part of your body. So even if there are spots that feel tight or sore or something with diminished function, that can be there. You can acknowledge that body part while also focusing on what's going really well. Can you appreciate all of your senses, your vision, hearing, taste, smell, touch? And then today, my challenge to you is every time you move your body, even if it's doing chores, washing dishes, folding laundry, maybe it is exercising. Can you express gratitude and appreciation for your physical body? Noticing everything your body does for you. And then what could you do today to really take good care of your body? That could be exercising, that could be resting or stretching. Use this as a guide today. What does my body need? And how can I do a really good job taking care of my physical body?